Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. It is very early in the morning. I've got my very favorite pajamas on. I just pulled my hair back. I'm actually going to wash my hair later today. But several of you had requested a get ready with me eye look using the Huda Mauve Obsession. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and it's going to be a voiceover. And the reason it's going to be a voiceover is Jim was here the whole time I filmed it, and now he's gone. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. When I was in my bedroom, I put on my It Superhero mascara, my navy eyeliner in my upper waterline, and I used the It CC Plus powder after I put on an eyelid primer. This is a combination of light and medium CC Plus cream all over my face. And right now I'm just going to put a very sheer coat of the Inspiring Red lip gloss stain from It Cosmetics. And sometimes I just like to work it in my lips, and I always kind of like to start with color on my lips before I start adding color anywhere else. This is the NYX Tame & Frame, and I'm using my Trish McEvoy eyebrow brush. It's my favorite, and I think all the eye brushes I'm using in this are going to be from Trish McEvoy. I like several others, but this just gives me exactly what I want, and I probably should spend more time with my eyebrows, but I don't. And this is the Huda palette in Mauve Obsessions. And I'm going to be using 3 colors here. The first color I'm using is the Transition, and I'm using a sheer application brush from Trish, and I just put that in my crease and above my crease. Now I'm going in with number 2 on the lid, and I either use my finger or I use a sponge tipped applicator, but I'm putting that all the way across my mobile lid. And let's see what I'm going to do next. Oh, I'm going to take that sheer application brush and just kind of smooth it out a little. I love this brush. This is an angled contour brush for eyes, and I put some product on both sides, and then I'm going to go into my crease, and it works both sides at one time, and I really like it. I don't go very far out on the sides. I just want a little bit of definition, and then I'm going to use the sheer application brush and blend it just a little bit. I find if I don't put too much on, I don't have to do that much blending. Making sure that everything's going up. And okay, that's a Trish Everything brush, and that's probably one of my very favorites. In fact, I have 2 of them, and I'm just kind of going up on the sides with that. This is an angled brush, and you can use any angled eyeliner brush here. I just happen to pick up my glass with Trish products, and I used the number 3 crease on the outer side, and then on the inside I'm putting the number 2, the lid, and just, you know, just going in there. I do have permanent eyeliner. I'm shaking up my black Superhero eyeliner, and this is waterproof and it does stay all day. I'm using my eyelashes just to kind of hold the brush in place, and just making short streaks and just kind of going up on the side to make a little wing. I don't do as well on this eye. I do so much better when I'm at my dressing room. It's just kind of hard for me to do in here. And I did make a little mistake that I had to clean up. But I really like this eyeliner, but it is not for somebody who isn't used to using automatic eyeliners. There's quite a few other eyeliners I like, but I can use this when I don't even have any eyeshadow primer, and I always have to have primer on my eyelids. Now I'm going to use my Mally Portafender and a sponge, and I use this instead of powder, and it just makes my skin look better than it is. And I hope you can see a difference, but I would say I use this probably 9 months a year, and it just takes down any extra shine. And that's just a Tarte brush, and this is my favorite blush, and it's the Hourglass in Mood Exposure, and I haven't hardly used any of it because it just takes a small amount, and someone told me they're selling it now in smaller containers, and I would definitely use that, but I like to put it all over my face. I do. I went to the drugstore the other day and I found something that was just on the counter, and I'm going to put a picture of it up here. I am thinking of maybe moving where I film upstairs. Okay, now it's on, and I think I spent like $9 for it. And if this works out looking okay, I may move upstairs, but we'll just have to see. Go ahead and give me your opinion if you think this lighting works. I would appreciate that. I hope it's all good. I went ahead and put what I call just a full application of the Inspiring Red Vitality Lip Flush Stain. They have long names, from IT Cosmetics, and that's how you can make a bolder look. First of all, I truly enjoyed reading all of the comments you left about what you had learned from me. Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. Jim and I are not going to Myrtle Beach. It's just a little too far right now, but we will be going somewhere. If I don't reply or you don't see me on your channel, you'll know that we are gone. I'd like to announce the winner of these 3 items in my recent giveaway, and the winner is Mindy D. Britos. And I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. Mindy, just comment below and I'll get in touch with you and we'll get this on the road. Congratulations to you. I want to thank you all for watching, for giving me the thumbs up, and I appreciate you more than you will ever know. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Switch it on and see what it looks like.